Friends, we will move to the next problem. See, two numbers A and B are such that the sum of 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of the sum of the 6% of A and 8% of B. Find the ratio of A and B. See friends, first we have to understand the question. What he has given? He has given two numbers are such that the sum of the 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of the sum of the 6% of A and 8% of B. What he has asked? He asked to find out the ratio of the A and B. First step we will see like this. See friends, what he has given? The sum of the sum of the 5% of A. See friends, 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of the sum of the 6% of A and 8% of B. This he has given. Now we have written like this. The sum of the 5% of A and 4% of the B is 2/3 of the sum of the 6% of A and 8% of B. Now we will solve the question. See, 5% means 5 by 100 into A plus 4 by 100 into B equal to 2/3 of 6 by 100 into A plus 8 by 100 into B. Friends, you don't go for any multiplication or division. You just keep the denominator as 100. If the denominator is a, we can add the numerators. Then 5a plus 4b equal to 100. Here, say 2 by 3 into 6a plus 8b by 100. See friends, now we will remove 100 and 100. Then we go for cross multiplication. 5a plus 4b into 3 equal to, here 1 is there, so 1 into 2. 2 into 6a plus 8b. Now you 3 5s are 15a plus 3 4s are 12b. Here 2 6s are 12a plus 2 8s are 16b. Now you will bring a's to the one side and b's to the other side. Then you will bring this one this side, this one this side. Now 15a minus 12a equal to 16b minus 12b. This is 3a equal to 4b. Then a by b equal to 4 by 3. This we can write like this also. A ratio b equal to 4:3. This is the answer. See friend, first we have to understand the question what he has given, what we have to find. Then we have written like this. What he has given, we have converted that question into this form. After that, it is very easy to find out the answer. So final answer is 4:3. The ratio of A and B is 4:3. Friends, now we will move to another problem. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of the total valid votes. 20% of the votes are invalid. If the total number of votes was 7,500, number of valid votes that the other candidate got was, see friends, first we have to understand the question. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of the total valid votes. 20% of the votes are invalid. If the total number of votes was 7,500, number of valid votes that the other candidate got was, what he has asked? What is the number of valid votes the second candidate got? See friends, what he has given, total number of votes, is 7,500. Out of this, 20% of votes are invalid. That means how much 20% of 7,500? 1,500 are invalid. See, can you calculate here? 20% of 7,500. That means 20 by 100 into 7,500. This is 1,500. Now total number of valid votes is total number of valid votes. How much? Difference 7,500 minus 1,500 equal to 6,000. See friends, what he has given in first sentence, one got 55% of the total valid votes. This means remaining 45% of the valid votes the second candidate got. That is the answer. So now second candidate votes. Second candidate votes equal to how much percentage? First person got 55%. Remaining 45% of 6,000. You calculate now. 45 by 100 into 6,000. You cancel it. Arising 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, plus 3 27. See friends, 2,700 votes the other candidate got. This is the answer. First we have to understand the question what he has given. He has given total 7,500 votes. Out of 7,500, 20% of the votes are invalid. The 20% of 7,500 is 1,500. Total number of valid votes are 7,500 minus invalid votes, that is 6,000. First person got 55% of the total valid votes. That means the second candidate got 45% of the total valid votes. We have to find out the 45% of the valid votes. This is the answer. Friends, now we will see another problem. Two tailors X and Y are paid a total of 550 per week. X is paid 120% of the sum paid to Y. How much is Y paid per week? See friends, What it has given? Two tailors are there, X and Y. They are working in one shop. Both are paying 550 per week. In 1 week, X is paid 120% of the sum paid to Y. How much is Y paid per week? Now what we have to calculate? How much Y paid per week? Total how much? 550. That means X plus Y equal to 550. Then next one has given X is paid 120% of the sum paid to Y. That means X equal to 120% of Y. Different. That means X equal to 120 by 100 into Y. Now we will substitute this X here. We will get Y. Different. Then X plus Y equal to 550. Then X equal to 120 by 100 into Y plus Y equal to 550. Then we will do this one. 120Y plus 100Y by 100 equal to 550. This is 220Y by 100 equal to 550. Then you 0, 0, 11 2 ja, 11 5 ja, 0, 2 5 ja, 10. Then Y equal to 250. See, so what is the answer? What is the sum paid to Y per week? This is the answer, 250. Sometimes we will directly get the answer from the answer section. See friends, totally 550 per week. Suppose if you think that this is the answer, that means Y equal to 100. What he has given? X is 120% of the Y. That means 120% of the 100. How much? 120 by 100 equal 100 equal to 120. Sequence. X equal to 120. Y equal to 100. Then total is 220. But what has been total is 550. So this is not the answer. Sequence here. X, Y equal to 200. But X is paying 20% more than the Y. Then 20% how much? 40. Then X equal to 240. But total has been 550. This total how much? 440. So this is not also correct. See here. This is Y. X is 20% more than, that means 120% of the sum paid to Y. 120% how much? See, 20% 50. That means 120% means 100% plus 20%. That means 250 plus 50, 300. This is Y, this is X. X plus Y equal to 550. So this is the answer. Sometimes directly we will go from the answer. So friends, tomorrow session we will discuss some other different kind of percentage problems.